And if we may say, quite good looking.
Oh, thanks.
Not you, darling. Legend Brands.
Ange!
Baby, what you doing me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me?
Come in.
Won't you tell me, baby? Don't you leave me alone?
Ange,
Addi.
I just saw this commercial on our YouTube channel, the girl obsessing over the 370 EFI Truck Mount.
And?
Well, it was you.
Yeah.
Who put you up to that?
What do you mean who put me up to it?
I mean, it looks like you're infatuated with the 370 EFI Truck Mount.
I am.
You are?
Why so surprised?
Well, it's just another truck mount.
Correction, it is not just another truck mount. It's leap forward in truck mount technology with the same small footprint and reputation for best-in-class performance and durability. It's now equipped with the most advanced air-cooled engine, Kohler ECH 749 26.5 horsepower V-twin electronic fuel injection EFI engine.
Okay. Well, why is EFI important?
Ultra-efficient operation, 1 gallon gas per hour, and carpet cleaning oil, lowest in the industry. Ease of operation, no choke to start required. Electronic throttle control, engine diagnostic interfaces, PC and Bluetooth, engineered for future connectivity, all while having low operational and maintenance costs, saving more than $2,000 per year.
Yeah, well, why Kohler?
Sapphire Scientific, Prochem, and Kohler have a proven track record of partnering to produce the industry's most popular and durable products.
Yeah, so?
So, we took the approach of non-biased component evaluation of all leading V-twin air-cooled engine manufacturers, both current and soon-to-be-released products. A wide range of performance and endurance tests were completed on all and documented. Clear-cut winner was Kohler.
Wow, I guess Kohler knows best.
More like Kohler does best. And since the start of this project, Kohler engineers have been highly engaged partners in the process. Our beta test 370 spent over a month back at the Kohler HQ being tested in the Death Valley hot chamber.
Wow. How hot.
Wouldn't you like to know? As a result, the 370 EFI is fully factory certified and backed by Kohler's expansive service network.
Well, is it good looking?
Oh, beyond.
Wow.
Beyond wow, too.
Legend Brands.